The fist comes out of the dark, and your glasses explode. One moment, you are tracking a shadow. The next, you are blind, bleeding from the bridge of your nose, and the person in front of you is a blur of fists. In a fight, your glasses are not an asset. They're a glass grenade strapped to your face. But you can't fight what you can't see, and you can't simply take them off and hope for the best. You need them. You just need them to survive the first hit, stay on your face during the grapple, and hold together long enough to see the exit. Most people will try to push their glasses up their nose as a threat closes in. They'll fumble, they'll lose a lens, and they'll lose the fight. You will secure your vision with 3 cheap, unbreakable, non-surgical hacks that turn your street specs into combat optics. Subscribe so you never miss this. Stay for method number 3. The one that takes a broken frame in the middle of a blackout and turns it back into a wearable pair of glasses, using nothing but a paperclip and a lighter. The systemic lie is that you need expensive, tactical, ballistic-rated eyewear to survive a violent encounter. The industry sells you a $100 pair of wraparound sunglasses with a matte black finish and calls it a necessity. But you are not an operator. You are a person who needs a prescription to see. If the grid is down and the laser surgery clinic is a boarded-up memory, the glasses on your face are the only vision you'll ever have. The solution isn't replacing them. It's modifying them to survive impact. Stay secure during violent movement and be field repairable with tools from your junk drawer. Step 1. The friction fit. Your glasses fall off because they're not attached to your head. An earpiece slips, the nose bridge slides down sweat, and one good jolt sends them flying. The fix is a silicone retainer, a simple, tubular, hollow rubber strap that slides over the ends of the earpieces and cinches down behind your head. You can buy them for $5 at any pharmacy, or you can make your own with a length of elastic cord and 2 small heat shrink tubing segments. Once it's on, you can be flipped upside down, slammed into a wall, or grappled to the ground, and your glasses will not leave your skull. They become an extension of your head, not a loose accessory. In a fight, the ability to see is a weapon. You don't drop a weapon because you tripped. You tether it. Tether your glasses. Step 2. The rapid ditch and stow. Sometimes you don't want them on your face. If you are being rushed, if you see the haymaker coming, if the fight is about to go to the ground, you need to remove your glasses in one fluid motion and place them somewhere they won't be crushed, all in under a second. You practice this. Dominant hand reaches up, hooks the frame at the center bridge, pulls straight out and down. The non-dominant hand pats the chest, finds the rigid breast pocket of a shirt or jacket, and the glasses slide in, lenses facing your body. Never the back pocket. Never a loose hoodie pouch where they'll snap in half the first time a knee drives into your torso. If you don't have a chest pocket, you install a small, semi-rigid pouch on your belt or your plate carrier that sits flat until you stuff it. The ditch and stow is a motor program that must be drilled 100 times until it's automatic. The fist comes. The glasses disappear, and you fight with your natural vision until you create distance and recover them. Most people take a punch, while one hand is still protectively hovering near their $500 titanium frames. You will punch back with both hands. Step 3. The field splint. The fight is over. You won or you survived. But your glasses are a twisted mess of snapped bridge and missing arms. You cannot see to treat a wound, clear a malfunction, or find your way home. The fix is a mini survival kit inside your everyday carry. A small Ziploc bag containing 1 2-inch steel paperclip, 1 rubber band, and a strip of heat shrink or electrical tape. Straighten the paperclip. Lay it across the break like a splint. Secure it with the tape, wrapping tightly. If the arm broke at the hinge, you heat the paperclip with a lighter until it's glowing. Then you melt it directly into the remaining plastic of the temple tip, creating a crude but functional earpiece. If the frame snapped in half at the nose bridge, you use a small piece of the rubber band as a flexible hinge across the break, then tie it down with melting the tape into itself. This is not a permanent repair. It's a 50-minute bridge back to your spare pair. But it lets you see the threats that are still moving, and in a world without an optometrist, a field-splinted pair of glasses is a treasure. Here is the reality that the sports glasses stores and the LASIK surgeons will never print in a pamphlet. Your vision is priceless, but fragile. In a violent crisis, you don't have time to switch to prescription safety glasses. You don't have time to insert contact lenses. You have the glasses on your face and the seconds between you and impact. The friction fit keeps them on. The ditch and stow keeps them safe when the ground becomes a weapon. The field splint keeps them functional when they've already shattered. The tools to do all three cost less than $10 and weigh less than a tourniquet. In a world stripped of safety nets, the person who can still see the exit wins. Now, drop a comment and tell me this. Go to your junk drawer. Do you have a paperclip and a roll of electrical tape right now? If you don't, you just got your assignment for tonight, right? Field splint ready in the comments when it's packed. And in the next video, we are moving from the eyes to the teeth. The field expedient tooth repair kit that fixes a broken crown or a lost filling using a single clove and a pinch of zinc oxide powder from your medical kit. I'll see you there.